Every SaaS explained in 5 minutes. Let's just jump straight to it. Now, what is a SaaS? Before we understand the different types of SaaS, you have to understand that software as a service, the basic definition of SaaS is basically a cloud-hosted software you access via any browser, no installation, no hardware, you pay a subscription, the vendor basically handles everything else. How does that look like for a traditional SaaS? We have a one-time purchase, it's installed on your machine, you have to manually manage your updates yourself, it's tied to one specific device, and it's quite complex instead of IT overhead. Now in the modern sense, we have the monthly annual subscription. You can basically access it anywhere, auto updates, works basically on every device, and vendor basically manages everything. Now, how does SaaS pricing works? If you're a SaaS founder or trying to launch a SaaS, you have to understand this. This is very important. The first one is freemium, perhaps the most prominent one. Basically, there's a free tier. You can download the software for free, but eventually if you want to use additional tools, you have to pay for the upgrade. There's also pay per user or pay per seat, and that basically works by scaling according to the size of the users per the organization. Now we have the usage base. We see that within a lot of AI, you basically pay what you use for, and also the flat rate where we have a one-time purchase. Now the 8 major SaaS categories, without going them too much in depth, is first we have the CRM, then we have the collaboration, we have the DevOps, we have the analytics, we have the payments, we have the marketing, we have the HR and people, and last but not least, we have the AI tool. Now let's talk about each one specifically very quickly. Now the first one is the customer relationship management. Some of the examples we know are Salesforce, HubSpot, Pipedrive, Zoho CRM, Atio, as well as Close. Some of these softwares I actually use myself, absolutely amazing. Next will be collaboration, basically any type of software that's trying to increase your team productivity. We have Slack, Notion, Linear, Figma, Loom, and Miro, basically the most famous ones. Then we have DevOps, especially the ones for like programmers and stuff like that. We have GitHub, Vercel, Datadog, Docker, Sentry, Cloudflare. I'm sure if you're programming, you've probably used some of these SaaS before. Payments, especially for financial infrastructure that involves some type of merchandise and payments. We have Stripe, Paddle, Chargebee, Lemon Squeezy, Plate, and Braintree. I'm sure at least Stripe. Some of you guys must have used Stripe before, at least, especially in dropshipping or e-commerce. Analytics, perhaps one of my favorite ones. We have data and insights. Some of them include Mixpanel, Amplitude, Posttalk, Segment, Look, and Metabase. All great for you to understand your users, measure what matters, move fast, and also make decisions as a founder and as an organization. Now, AI tools, the new wave. This is perhaps the area that's basically spawning a lot of SaaS tools out there. We have the OpenAI API, we have Cursor, we have Copy.ai, Jasper, Perplexity, Synthesia, and then there's so many more like Leo, Gamma.app, and then we have Cloud. We have like so many AI tools. SaaS AI tools is exploding the market right now. Something that you want to look at, especially when you want to rebuild or include AI into your company. The key SaaS metrics every founder should know. If you're launching a SaaS, you need to know these metrics: MRR, monthly recurring revenue, annual recurring revenue, ARR, CAC, customer acquisition costs, LT, lifetime value, churn rate, percentage of customers who cancel each month. This is actually so underrated, but you have to see this. NRR, net revenue retention. How to choose the right SaaS. Now, if you want to choose a SaaS, whether you're an organization or just a consumer, first of all, define the problem. Find out exactly what is the pain point. What do you actually need to solve the problem of your organization? Check the integrations. I'm sure you're using some current softwares that need some integrations. Evaluate the total cost. This is according to your budget. Test it with a free trial instead of just wasting the budget. And also check support and reliability for the long term. Right, I think that is basically it, guys. Explain less than 5 minutes. Now, if you are a SaaS founder, if you are interested in launching a SaaS, or if you are interested in selling a SaaS, you can schedule a call with me below, because I help you create the GTM specific systems for your SaaS company. But otherwise, I'll see you guys in the next video.